Sections covered in this video: the evolution of mobile phones, future design, from displays to flexible form factors, personalized AI, the phone that understands you, the end of SIM cards and the rise of 6G, integration of mobile phones with clothing and the human body, next-generation batteries, the end of phones or the birth of a digital being? To find answers to these questions, stay with us. Introduction: humans, technology, and a small device. In the 21st century, smartphones have become not just tools, but the central hub of human digital life. But just as the television replaced radio, smartphones may be replaced by something else. Here, we're not asking about the future of a technology, but about the future of the interface between humans and the digital world. Section 1. From Nokia 1100 to iPhone 30. The Path of Evolution. 1. Brief history. 1990s. Voice calls. GSM. 2000s. SMS, VGA cameras, Java apps. Post-2010. Smartphones, operating systems, iOS, Android, apps, mobile internet. Post-2025. G, AI, multi-lens cameras, foldable designs. 2. Analysis. The evolution shows that each generation of phones adapts to the current societal needs, from voice communication to multimedia, and now to seamless connection with the mind, environment, and data. Section 2. Future design. From displays to adaptive form factors. 1. Technologies. Foldables. Like the Samsung Z Fold, screens that fold into phone and tablet modes. Rollables. Like the LG Rollable Expandable Displays. Transparent displays, glass-based OLEDs. Holographic projection. Built-in projectors that display images in space, still under research. 2. Likely future. Phones will become multi-mode devices. Phone, tablet, laptop, wearable assistant, all in a compact, flexible form. They may even evolve beyond the traditional rectangular handheld into touch-sensitive surfaces on skin or clothing. Section 3. Personalized AI, the phone that understands you. 1. Current trends. Google Assistant, Siri, Bixby only follow commands. Phones can already analyze location, search history, sleep patterns, and stress levels. For example, Samsung Health, Apple Health. 2. Likely future. On-device AI that works offline. Your phone understands your mood before you do, plays music when you're sad, silences notifications when you're unfocused. AI manages daily schedules, communications, even your diet. Important. AI will transform smartphones from consumable tools into cognitive companions, just like a human assistant. Section 4. Borderless connectivity. The end of SIM cards and rise of 6G. 1. Emerging technologies. eSIMs replacing physical SIM cards. Starlink and LEO satellites providing internet in remote areas. Mesh networks enabling communication without traditional infrastructure. 2. Future. 6G, 100x faster than 5G, microsecond latency capable of full VR/AR transmission. Phones are always connected even in areas without ground-based infrastructure. Real-time sensing of location, movement, health, and environment using the network. Section 5. Merging with the body, beyond devices, becoming part of us. 1. Early technologies. Neuralink, brain chips to send and receive neural signals. Mojo Lens, contact lenses with built-in displays. BCI, brain-computer interface. a link between thought and digital device. 2. Imaginable future. Typing, calling, reading messages just by thinking. Emotions digitally translated and shared. Empathic computing. The body becomes a data source. Breathing, heartbeat, movement, thoughts all analyzed in real time. 3. Challenges. Security issues, brain hacking, digital surveillance of the mind, and deeply complex ethical questions. Section 6. Batteries, fast charging, long life, and alternative sources. 1. Developing technologies. Graphene batteries, lighter, faster, more durable than lithium. RF, IR wireless charging, charging from a distance. Energy harvesting, using light, body heat, or movement for power. 2. Likely future. Full phone charge in seconds. Batteries that last 10 years. Power autonomy. Phones that never need to be charged as they generate their own energy. Section 7. The end of the phone or the birth of a digital being. Future trends. The phone is no longer a separate device from the human. It becomes part of the human digital identity. Devices transform into a biological platform integrated into our clothing, skin, eyes, and minds. The phone evolves into a permanent interface between humans and the global AI network. Conclusion: humans, technology, and beyond tools. Technology is moving beyond just being smart. Its future lies in being seamlessly integrated into our lives, from thought to decision to action. Phones may disappear, but what replaces them will be your digitized self. Final question for the audience. If you could design the future of your phone, what would it look like? Support us with your subscriptions, likes, and encouraging comments so we can keep creating with even more passion and purpose. Every thought you share means the world to us.